Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
We understand that the state government has taken the views of all the locals.
Okay.
And they will communicate all the views. They have communicated their views already. Okay. And we will examine that. This is a matter of examination.
Okay.
We cannot give a very definite time frame for that. Okay. But we are considering all the aspects. We have not formed our view yet. Okay.
General view before coming.
It is still under examination. There is already a draft notification which has been issued by Government of India after a lot of examination by Dr. Kasturi Rangan and Professor Bhagwat Gadgil. And we have to see what the state government has said. We will examine that now.
आमदार मंत्री सुभाष फळदेसाय म्हणटा पर्यावरणीय संवेदनशील वाठाराक लागून थळाव्यांचेर कितें परिणाम जातले ते समितीच्या नदरेक हाडला.
आमचे जे मत आसा पंचायतीचे मत आसा इको सेन्सिटीव एरियाज त्यो आयडेंटिफाय जावपाक जायना एरियाज आसात त्यो डिनोटिफाय करपाक म्हणजे तो ड्राफ्टान भितर घेवपाक जायना म्हणून आमची मिटींग जाल्ली आसा. हांव तांचे बरोबर मिटींग करून हांव आतांच आयिल्लो आसा. आमी कशे क्वॉलिफाय जायनात हे आमी सांगपाचो प्रयत्न केल्ले आसा. मायनींग जे आसा ते मोठ्या प्रमाणान आसा आनी ह्या मायनींग भागान भितर परत एक फावटी इको सेन्सिटीव एरियाज आयले जर जाय जाल्यार मायनींग डिपेंडंट आसा ते परत रस्त्यार येतले ही भीती आमच्या सगळ्या पंचायतींनी आसात.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.